Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. We get a lot of questions about, do I have a Mercarb or do I have a two-jet carburetor? And I just like to point out one big difference that'll tell you what it is right off the bat. Real easy to figure out. This does not happen to be a two-jet Marine, but it is a two-jet late model, and for this illustration it'll work just fine. So the Mercarb will have one adjustment idle mixer screw on the throttle body. Okay, if yours is like that, you got a Mercarb. The two-jet has two adjustments. See that? Two needles. Okay, so if you got two, you got a two-jet. Now, as far as the carburetor number goes, on the two-jet, 68 and later are stamped right here. This says 170571114, and again, it's probably going to be painted black. You may have to scrape some paint away, but that's where it's located. Mercarb, same deal. On this one, happens to be right under the fuel inlet. This says 138-99562, but it's got one. We have one kit that fits all the Mercarbs, so I'll put the link in the video and in the in the description part of the video to go to it. It's a PK112. Okay, so that's how you tell whether you have a Mercarb or not. Thank you for watching.